My name is Jasmine Jones, and I am the student speaker for the 6th annual celebration for the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day celebration. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to Bridgewater College and the town of Bridgewater for continually honoring and uplifting the celebration of this significant holiday. This march began with the intention of continuing to grow and enrich our relationship with the town of Bridgewater, and we are happy to celebrate this for the 6th consecutive year. Bridgewater College takes pride in creating a community that values and fosters inclusivity and belonging. Dr. King's dream regarded peace and unity within our country, regardless of race, but more so the morals and values and how you carry yourself. He once stated, "Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter." Our participation in the celebration of this minister and activist allows us to demonstrate firsthand how important it is for us to speak up and embrace the differences we have in our diverse community. The dream that Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. spoke so passionately about is alive and embedded within our community. As we uplift and support the diversity within our community, we are able to create and embrace the warm and welcoming environment that surrounds us. As we continue to remember and honor what Dr. King stood for, I urge you to educate yourselves on the legacy he has left and the changes he has made to pave the way for American society. Dr. King's civil disobedience movement educated us that despite our many differences, we can all live in peace and harmony amongst each other. His morals and beliefs that he implemented into American society are displayed as the fundamental morals of our society today, specifically here in Bridgewater, as we emphasize inclusivity and belonging for all. Dr. King did not wait for change to come. He believed in being that change. I ask that you take this moment to consider how we can continue to remember Dr. King's powerful doctrines and truly enact positive change in our college and town's community. Do you have what it takes to meet adversity head on and be a fearless leader? What can you do in your day-to-day life that can make our community a more warm and welcoming and inclusive space that fosters a sense of belonging? Dr. King's proposition is a reminder of the difficulties faced by African Americans in society and how the fight for change was determined to come. I'd like to end with a quote that resonates with me. "Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase." Thank you.